Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZYNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, because it was so big, I'm just going to go ahead and use these annotations for some of the nearer term levels because sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The newest area of resistance after today, I'm going to go ahead and call right up there at the $8 mark. I get it. Yeah, a couple times the price was up above there, but there was also a couple times where the price wasn't quite that high. So I'm just kind of trying to, split the difference there and find the middle ground. Point here being that the overall area of price congestion definitely up there at the $8 mark. So keep an eye on that going forward as, like I said, that overall, battleground. As far as one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level of support, that would be staying up above that. Oh, that makes it easy. The $7 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price were to drop below 7, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above 7, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 7 would be awesome, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above the purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. So all in all, though, very nice day. Again, yesterday was great, today was great, and as long as the price keeps on chipping away with these higher bases, that is the name of the game. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.